everyone who participated. You've played an important role in raising awareness for a national emergency, really. And with that, I will say thank you on behalf of the NIC team, and thank you to PSI for taking the lead and really helping to raise awareness for this, for such an important issue. Aisha, over to you.
Us to add this honorable mention and is because their idea was really, really creative, is team spirit.
Bravo, well done, guys. Oh, bhai, hello.
I want to open my chat now.
Oh,
congratulations, team spirit.
Well
your
done.
idea was very unique, and you forced us to have a fourth one. The team that came out on third was expert outreach.
Bravo. Well done.
Do we have the members of expert outreach here?
Yes, they're here.
Congratulations, Rumesa and your team. You guys did a wonderful job.
Rumesa and Iman are.
Good job, Iman. The team that came out second is team Betak.
आ जाएं भाई अगली स्लाइड पे.
Kanza and Amna. Congratulations. And the team which has come out first, which was my top first as well, personally, amongst all the judges, which I really, really like their presentation. I love the way they presented their idea, their communication, every single aspect of it is bridge the gap.
Well done, boys and girls. Well done. Bravo. Larib says her team is dancing.
Yes,
Excellent.
it was just
Well done.
1 point. It was indeed 1 point.
Yeah.
This is called a photo finish. You know, when the runner sticks their nose out and their nose crosses the line before the rest of them do. That's what it was.
So congratulations, all of you. All 4 winning teams, PSI Pakistan team is also going to get in touch with you. We are going to have meetings with you through with NIC. And we're hoping that your ideas are going to help us take this family planning agenda, this most patriotic agenda objective that we have of this population crisis. You're going to help us take this mission forward. So thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your hard work. I think with this, apart from these 4 teams, I also would like to congratulate and thank every single individual who participated. The level of effort was phenomenal. The kind of presentations that you gave were amazing. Thank you so much. I can't stop thanking you guys.
Amen.
And I have a message from my colleague Adnan saying we also need to let the honorable team, which won, this team spirit, that we haven't announced their prize money. So we should be letting them know as well, right? So you are going to get 50,000 rupees as your winning prize.
Well done, Team Spirit. You forced us to reward you for your amazing work.
That is awesome. So congratulations, Nisha and Sara, and of course, bridging the gap, Betak, and the expert outreach. So as Aisha said, I think अब coming week में 1-2 दिन आराम कर ले, उसके बाद we will reach out to these teams and meeting एक plan कर लेते हैं. If all of them are in Karachi, we can meet at NIC Karachi office या PSI के office पे, and then take this discussion forward.
Thankfully, the lockdown has been lifted.
And top 3 are getting credits from Rapid Compute as congratulations on receiving credits as well. Thank you.
Yes. So all, I think अब 4th team को भी हम add कर लेंगे इसमें. I think Imran को we will request कि एक हमारे पास 4th team भी आ गई है. So all at least the 3 so for now इनको 1 year के लिए जब से भी वो start करेंगे ये service लेना Rapid Compute से, तो 1 साल के लिए cloud credits इनको मिलेंगे worth $1,000 per month के हिसाब से. So that is again a big prize and a big achievement. So congratulations to all of you. And for the 4th team, I'm going to get back to them tomorrow after I talk to Imran.
Yes, we're going to try to get that the same for you as well.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you, everyone.
So
Thank
I
you so
think
much.
that's it.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, NIC team. I think my PSI team and all the participants, I think we need to clap for NIC team as well for their superb hard work and, you know, day and night work that you guys have done. I know we have been very difficult. We've been very, but I think you guys have handled us very well. So thank you so much, Sana, Asfar.
NIC team, time to take a dab. Time to take a dab. Take a dab. Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done.
Thank you. आयशा आपने सारी थकन उतार दी हमारी.
No, you guys were really amazing. Really, really amazing.
Thank you.
I think many more to come. Inshallah.
Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Bye for now.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.